Your winsome smile in my vision, forgotten conversation, losing all control. Shades of blue temptation chasing beautiful illusions down the rabbit hole. Like a landslide of colors that run into each other, horses black and white. I lose myself when I get like this. I choose to ignore it cause it feels like bliss. I don't know how to break the fall. Maybe trying to hate you will fix it all. Golden dappled in your green eyes, a forest in the sunrise, doorway to your soul. Sketching your freckles in the daylight, searching until I find the meaning of it all. Finger paint until the colors change, resplendent to black and white. I lose myself when I get like this. I choose to ignore it cause it feels like bliss. I don't know how to break the fall. Maybe trying to hate you will fix it all. Have not have you around. I try to swim but I only drown. And when I fall to the bottom I sink through the floor. Maybe trying to hate you will fix it all. Honesty's a sacred thing, but now I'm crossing lines in secret keeping where nothing is more beautiful than truth. You became my everything, to know you is to drink you in. There are things you're not supposed to feel. For friends, I never want this, no.